What's up YouTube, it's your boy Prosper. Guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my channel. My channel name is Prosper Trade. On this account I document my journey from unprofitable trade to profitable trades. I'm building this skill from scratch. So far I don't have a mentor, but I don't suggest a person not to have a mentor. For me, it's just the fact like I cannot just able to pay the mentor yet. Maybe if one day I got opportunity I would have a mentor, but for now I don't have, because those mentors are asking a lot of money. Let me tell you. And then I cannot argue because skill is learned. Investing in skill is something really important. So today we're just going to dive in my chart to see how I analyze my market. And also I'm gonna show you my journals. How do I journal my trades from unprofitable trade to to from unprofitable trade to profitable trades. I'm just generating everything, no faking, everything just the reality on how I do my things. I hope you're gonna enjoy these videos. Who are you? And if you are a person who is interested in forex trading, you're also a forex beginner as me, don't forget to click that subscribe button, hit that like button, and also comment your thoughts in the comment section. How is trading is treating you? Are you a beginner? Are you intermediate? Or are you the odogo? But anyway, guys, let's just dive in my journal, and then after that we're going to dive in my chart and how I analyze. Remember, I am backtesting SMC strategy, but I also have my own strategy that I traded. So for SMC, I'm only backtesting it. I never tried on real market, but for today, I'm going to show you the one I tried on the real market, which is trends in trends. Guys, stay tuned.
This is my setup for this week, since Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and today is currently Friday. I think I expect FNT. I don't know how to trade this. Anyway, let's just go. What strategy do I use? I use trends break. That means I will wait for the trends to break out, like the market to break from the trend, then I wait for it to retest, then I enter. My TP will always be the highest or the lowest of the last zone based on where the market is facing to. If it's the downtrend, I will wait for the highest low of the market. That's for the highest low of the market of the trend. That's where will be my my setup. Let's just wait for another one again. As you can see, this is exactly again what the other one happened. That one is exactly like that. Same story, same strategy. It's the breakout strategy. You can see here, also here, this one. So hit it, this one hit it, and the last of this one. This one, guys, I don't know. It was really challenging to me, but it was so straight here. But I think it's because I was trading on the small account, which made me to be more scared to pull out. I don't know, but yeah, and it hit the chicken. Anyway, yeah, for now I'm just gonna show you how do I analyze the market, how do I do everything. I start from the 1 hour time frame since I'm a day trader. Let's see how it's gonna work, guys. Let's go to the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame, as you can see, the market is still in the downtrend. If you go to the daily, the market is still in the downtrend. You see. Let's go in 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame, low. And then from there we are going to change our candlestick. Market touch, test, market touch, test, market also touch here, and test, and test. I hope now I can see we are done with everything. So we are going to yeah. You can see the market is just going up. The market is still going up to our high of, as you can see. So let's go to 15 minutes to see. Well, before that, let's mark our trending list. Let's use our trends. Another one. Come come somewhere here. Come here. So then you go to a 15 minutes to see, wait for entry. 15 minutes mostly for entry. As you can see, we just wait for the market to what? To break out this trend. To break out from this trend. I'm going to buy, break low or up, whatever it's work. So waiting for it to come down. You can see here there is also come here. Because you can see there is this one. You can see. I'm expecting it to come maybe somewhere here to test. Then this will grab. See, And this is also the same way it is all against us, waiting for it to come down here, test, and this will be our TP. Our TP will be here. Anyway, we'll see whatever we have done. Anyway, we are not a market maker. Market guys, that is it. That's how this will happen. Let's see. Let's see how the market works, and then let's wait, guys. Sign out.
Guys, that is exactly what it is. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget just to subscribe on my channel, hit that like button, share the video guys, so let others see also, and also comment your thought in the comment section. So thank you for watching this video. See you next time and sign out.